This is Prophet Chris here in Zimbabwe, in Harare Hippodrome. I'm just chilling here close to the Good News Church. You see there, this is the Good News Church. This is for Prophet Hubert Angel. So I'm here. This is Good News Church. This is Good News Church. Good News Church. Good News Church. This is Good News Church in Harare Hippodrome. This is Harare Hippodrome. You see this board? It's Harare Hippodrome. You see, I'm here. Good News Church. This is Good News World. I'm coming by full force, somebody. Coming back to South Africa by full force.